It is an XL185S. It's a 1988 model. We did a number of things on this one because when we got it, it was quite in a bad condition. The fender was replaced. We find this one in a garage from a friend of ours. He had this one, an original part. So we got the original front mudguard because the original one was in a bad state. It was all cracked up. The exhaust was fabricated by my cousin and my dad. This one is new now and it is still not finished, as one can see. Here it will be it would continue the exhaust, and to be smoother it would be close to the original. But this one is in stainless steel. Obviously the original one was in steel, was in black. This one needed a total restoration. The wiring were all ripped actually, and they needed to be replaced. So a total wiring kit had to be made and fitted. It was also painted. From here it had to be repaired because it was broken from here. This model tends to break from here. When one puts the weight here, it tends to break from here, so we had to repair that. It was welded again and it is now not visible. It's somewhere like, it's from here actually, and it's not even visible now. So we did a good job. The indicators are also new. They are original indicators. The rims were actually sprayed. We did not want to make them nickel again, to not spend a lot of money, etc. So we sprayed them and they look awesome now, like that. The engine, however, always worked very well. I have a video that I will show you in this video, riding it before we even started the restoration. So it worked fine. It's very powerful actually. I find it more powerful than my TS125VR, which is 2-stroke. This one, which is 185, yes, it's bigger, but it's a 4-stroke, and I find it more powerful than the 2-stroke 125VR. It was, as I said, it was in a very bad state. For example, this is its original tank. It is in a really bad state, full of dents. My dad had another tank, so we sprayed that tank to match the color, and I will show it to you. This is the new tank now that we are going to fit on that. It was sprayed by my dad as well. It looks beautiful, although it's full of dust now, because it has been sitting there for a while now. We have to make the stickers here as well. One shall compare them. So yeah, it will look awesome on this one. See? The accessories and things were and bolts and nuts were galvanized, so that everything is coated with a protective layer. So, and also to keep originality. The result is pretty great now, and it's starting to take shape. This one is the engine guard, which we also restored. It is to be fitted under the engine to protect the engine, obviously. It's the original guard. Moreover, we had this made. This is the side panel of the Kickstarter side, because we couldn't find a new one, an original one, because ours was missing. So we had to make it in fiber, based on the panel of our friend's XL, because he has one and he has this side, so we copied it in fiber. The other ones we had, so we cannot start it at this stage, but I will show you a video of it, myself riding it here before we started the restoration.
مرش gallun. Tieħna petrol kif qed tistardju. It-tfieħ.